Good Monday afternoon, everybody. October 8th, 2018. Welcome into another edition of Talking Fitchburg. On a very soggy Monday. It's sort of drying out a little bit now, but it's just been wet and yucky all weekend long. And speaking of yucky, here's Andrew.
Nope, you don't even get to see me after that.
What? Come on.
Nope.
Okay.
That was mean. Take it back.
I'm sorry, I take it back.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Andrew
Hello.
Bamlich, your
Hello.
director, and everybody else in between. Oh, let me fix that little hair there. Oh, that made it worse. Okay. Oh, we're good. Good. Just
Hey,
ignore
at least
me
you
over
have
here.
hair to fix.
Yeah, you know. I don't know where you go from there.
I see. You're just rubbing it in. I get it. I get it.
Oh, my goodness. Well,
Howdy.
everybody had to stay inside over the weekend.
Yeah, it's a little rainy, a little gross outside.
Yeah. I was taking the trash out in the rain yesterday.
Yep.
Needed to get it done.
Yep.
And I told Lily, don't come outside. Because she didn't have any shoes on or socks
Did
on.
she listen?
Oh, no. She came out in the garage.
Yep.
Then I was like, don't leave the garage. And
Did
I
she
walk around
listen?
the corner. Nope, she's
No.
right there. So that's
See, I have the
your
opposite problem.
2-year-old.
I'm like, I'm doing the garbages. No one comes outside.
Nobody moves. As they get older, they get smarter.
It's like, yeah. And then I'm like, okay, you come with me. We're going to go do the garbages. Oh, yep. Let's go.
Yeah.
We did it late enough, though, where it wasn't rainy still in our area. So,
Lucky.
but it was dark out.
Yeah, the sub pump kicked on, I guess, overnight
There
at
you
my
go.
place. So
Sub pump.
now it's getting real. It's getting real out
Getting
there.
real.
Starting to
Wet.
soak in. So I was telling you guys this morning, Christy and Andrew, that the two things that scare me the most in my house, as far as fires
Yeah.
or flooding,
Yeah.
it's the sub pump
Yeah.
and that dehumidifier.
Yeah.
Those two things.
You gotta be
scare the
careful.
crap
There is
out
a
of me.
recall on dehumidifiers right now. So
I've got an older one, so I
just
just don't
make
like
sure
it.
you don't have one.
Make
if
sure you
you
don't
do-
have one. Oh, the expired. I
The
was like-
recalled ones.
I was
if
like,
you
well,
do,
that's really crazy.
just turn it off, get it out.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Then on
Don't
the
do
flip
it.
side, I need to get some humidifiers because it gets dry in our house. So
Yep. We're to that season where I shock everything when I touch it. It's like,
yeah, exactly. All right, we've got a lot to get to here on a Monday edition of Talking Fitchburg. We're going to take you to Dwellings Groundbreaking. Took place this past Friday. We'll take you back to that event, see what's up over there. Then we're talking Monday with, the Digest and Verona Road Construction Update. You know that. Yeah, we do it here every Monday during construction season. Talking about a traffic shift coming up tonight. Then it's Fire Prevention Week. Yeah, all week long. We're talking about fire safety, and we kick off our first piece of it today with fire escape planning, which is always a good one to do, whether you're in the home or in the office. We'll talk about that. And wrap up the show, a little PB&J. But first, we start off with your news. In the North Fish Hatchery Road Reconstruction Public Meeting number 2 has been set. That's right. This meeting will be held on November 8th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Presentations kicking off at 5:45 p.m. at Leopold Elementary School, 2602 Post Road in Madison, Wisconsin. Presentation discussion of the preliminary roadway design, including community questions, concerns, and priorities, will take place at this meeting. If you want to learn more about the project, it's easy. Head over to our website, fitchburgwi.gov. Look for Fish Hatchery Road Reconstruction. And if you want to get some updates on this, you can do that by signing up at the listserv there, and you'll get some text or get some emails about the project. Good to go down to those and find out what's going on. So, all right, this week is a fall curbside brush collection week. That's right. Started this morning, and it goes all the way till the 12th. Then you've got another opportunity. Back on the 22nd through the 26th and the 12th through the 16th. Please visit the website because there are some restrictions when it comes to your brush pickup, including placement, size, and maybe even type. I don't know. You have to check out the website to find out more information, but that's going on this week. All right. Also going on, the final week of this is your fall hydrant flushing. Fitchburg Utilities fall hydrant flushing started on October 1st and will go through the 12th. Flushing will occur Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Due to flushing, the water may be temporarily discolored. Discoloration can be cleared by opening your cold water tap to full flow for a few minutes. Please do laundry in the evening when the water is clear to avoid damage to clothing. Unless you're like Andrew and I and you're looking for the new fashion, then go ahead. Take a shot at it. See what happens, right? All right, we had a groundbreaking take place on Friday for dwellings coming to Fitchburg. Let's take a look.
I'm Dean Slavy with KSW. I'm the president, and Julie and Jen are here with us to help put this all together. And they don't want to talk.
We can talk. We grew up in furniture, and after our parents retired, we decided that we wanted our own store. And now it's become more interior design, but we've taken everything we've grown up and known and now made our own store out of it.
We specialize in American-made products, unique things. We never buy the same thing twice. We love to go into people's homes and design rooms based on a budget they give us, which is kind of our specialty niche right now.
Custom upholstery.
Upholstery, affordable, mid-range price stuff that is different from your neighbors.
But anyway, we want to thank you all for coming, and we wanted to go over we're excited about the project. I know we've been working with the ladies for quite a while to get this all done and finalized, and getting with the city, going through their process, and we appreciate everything they're done.
We were looking for a new place, something that represented, I guess, us,
and our brand
style, so we could take a new store and have something that we could develop on our own. And we were looking to combine, I guess, our store and our warehouse together, and this kind of all just fell into place when we were looking for something, and they were willing to build something that suited us and our vision.
Brand.
Yeah.
On behalf of the city and the three alders that are here today, and the fire chief and the economic development director, we want to welcome you here to Fitchburg. I know this is exciting as you guys are expanding and getting your own sort of building your own space to your own needs, and so we're excited to have you here. And all of our suburb to the south can come through and purchase from Verona, and our suburb from the north, Madison, can come purchase from you as well. But I think this is an exciting opportunity for you, because I think you guys are taking a next step in your business, and so that's exciting, but also probably a little challenging as well. And so welcome, and we look forward to being back here hopefully earlier in January for the ribbon cutting.
We're really focused right now on design, and we are really focused on our $150 consults. So
we go to people's homes, we charge them $150, and then talk them through spaces, design, budget, colors, all that stuff, put it all together.
And then, have them in our store and put their houses together. So that's where our focus is shifting and where I think the store will go, and we're pretty excited. So.
It has been dug. Well, congratulations. Looking forward to these guys opening it up, and it's gonna be a good store. Who doesn't want to get custom design in their house, you know? I have no taste, so my taste is brick walls. Yeah. So maybe we need to invite them over here to give us a little tune-up on the set. But yeah. All right, last but not least for your headlines today, it's Fire Prevention Week, and the fire department has their big open house. They always have it on the Saturday ending Fire Prevention Week. So you're going to stop out on Saturday, October 13th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Station number 1, 5791 Lacey Road. Could be the last time we're going to have this year. It's kind of sad. Or bittersweet, however you want to look at it. And don't worry, folks. Not only will you be able to tour the fire station, see the apparatus, and talk to firefighters, you will also take part in the fire truck rides, which I think is an awesome piece. All right, that does it for your headlines. Coming up next, we open up the digest with your Reconstruction update. But first, here's a look at this week's upcoming meetings.